Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G10. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, tap on Continue and select Allow. You want to go with Send on an Android and Receive on Motorola. Then tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will just select this one photo, click on it, tap Send and choose Got It. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan QR code, you can tap on the scanning icon over here on Motorola. Choose while using the app and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you wanna check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, select, in my case, Images, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!